In this video, we will explore the RANK.EQ function in Microsoft Excel. This function is useful for ranking values within a list. We'll learn how to determine the rank of numbers among a list of other numbers, allowing you to easily see where each value stands in relation to the others. Let's examine the syntax of the RANK.EQ function. The formula is as follows: equals RANK.EQ, open parenthesis, number, comma, ref, comma, order, close parenthesis. Here, number refers to the value you want to rank. The ref argument is the array or range of numbers that you are comparing against. Now let's delve into the order parameter of the RANK.EQ function. The order parameter is optional. It determines whether the ranking is done in descending or ascending order. If you set order to 0, the function will rank the values in descending order, meaning the largest value receives a rank of 1. If you set it to 1, the function will rank the values in ascending order, meaning the smallest value receives a rank of 1. Here is a sample data consisting of student scores. The table has 3 columns: row, student, and score. First row contains student Alice and her score is 95. The second row contains student Bob and his score is 88. The third row contains student Charlie and his score is 92. The fourth row contains student Diana and her score is 85. The fifth row contains student Eve and her score is 98. Now let's look at a basic example of using the RANK.EQ function to rank Alice's score among other students. The formula to rank Alice's score is equals RANK.EQ, open parenthesis, C2, comma, C2 colon C6, comma, 0 close parenthesis. This formula will return the rank of Alice's score in the range from C2 to C6, in descending order. The result of this formula is 2. This means that Alice's score is the second highest in the list. Let's take a look at the complete ranking of student scores in descending order using the RANK.EQ function. The table lists the student's name, their score, and their corresponding rank. Eve has a score of 98 and is ranked 1. Alice has a score of 95 and is ranked 2. Charlie has a score of 92 and is ranked 3. Bob has a score of 88 and is ranked 4. Diana has a score of 85 and is ranked 5. Let's compare the results of using descending versus ascending order in the RANK.EQ function. When we use the formula equals RANK.EQ open parenthesis C2, comma, C2 colon C6, comma, 0 close parenthesis, which is descending order, Alice's rank is 2. However, when we use the formula equals RANK.EQ open parenthesis C2, comma, C2 colon C6, comma, 1 close parenthesis for ascending order, Alice's rank is 4. This demonstrates how the order parameter affects the ranking outcome. Let's summarize the key points to remember when using the RANK.EQ function. Firstly, the function returns the same rank for duplicate values. If there are multiple instances of the same number, they all receive the same rank. Secondly, if the order parameter is omitted, the function defaults to descending order. This means that if you don't specify an order, the largest value will be ranked as 1. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.